Spanning 503 meters across the harbour, it was the longest steel arch bridge in the world when it opened in 1930. Welcome to Sydney, one of the most spectacular cities on Earth. You are about to explore a city that was built at the edge of the known map, right on the shores of one of the most beautiful natural harbours ever discovered. He named that side New South Wales. Ahead on your right, Moore Park is the great green break between the city and the eastern suburbs. 115 hectares that began as common land set aside by Governor Macquarie and became a public park in 1866. Lawns, paths, and new tree planting for a part of Sydney where apartment towers have arrived far faster than green space. You are passing, on your left, the AGM glass factory. For most of the 20th century, this corner was the biggest glassworks in Sydney. Australian glass manufacturers. By the late 1930s, the company was making 9,500 different bottles and jars. The factory building itself, the powerhouse chimney standing in the park, and something far older and much stranger. The Grizzle Building, an iron building cast in London in 1855.